Oh, that's exactly what I need. I'd like to buy something sweet first of all. A bar of chocolate, a bottle of cola, a packet of crisps, a jar of honey, and finally a packet of biscuits. Hello, let me be your personal advisor on healthy food. What do you mean by healthy food? I'll explain you right now, but first, put all this junk food back on the store shelf. Okay. Healthy food contains low-fat products, low-sugar food, proteins, and fiber-rich food. Let's look at the examples. Try this low-fat yogurt. This packet of nuts is healthier than chocolate bars because it's a low-sugar product. Apples are useful for its vitamins, and they are fiber-rich foods. They are delicious as well. And fish is a source of proteins. Let's make a salad and revise the words we can use with countable and uncountable nouns. Many, a few, much little, a little. What is the difference between few and a few? Look, I've got a few tomatoes. A few means not many but enough for salad. We can also use these words for expressing quantity. Some, any, no. I have got some salad. Have you got any salad? They have no salad. It's time to learn some phrasal verbs with take. Take off means to remove a piece of clothing. Take somebody out means invite somebody out with you. Take something back is to return something you bought. Take away means to order food and take it with you. Now we know 4 phrasal verbs with take. Take off, take somebody out, take something back, and take away.